What you're looking at here is a mess, a very small mess, of poke salad greens. For those of you who guessed that mystery plant in my garden was poke salad, you were absolutely correct. I do apologize for not getting back and making a video sooner. It's just been, you know, with the shutdown and all, it's just been a little bit different. So take a look at how large and how beautiful these leaves are. As we used to say, this is just enough to make you mad, but this isn't something that I'm making for the family. I'm just making it for myself. I grew up eating this, very comfortable eating this, preparing this, and I just wanted to share what my harvest looks like. Here is the plant. As you see here, it still has several leaves on it. And what I'm going to do, I just wanted to show you the height on this thing. So my yardstick, of course, is 36 inches. And if you look to the tip top, it is 5 feet. And these plants can get up to 8 feet tall. I wanted to zoom in a little bit closer because I wanted to show you, where was that? There it is. Right here, those iconic little cluster. Let's see if I can tap it. Show you a little bit better. Put this behind it. There it is. That little cluster there is going to be a big cluster of these dark purple grape-like growths. I never ate that, and I should have started this off with the typical skull and crossbones to tell you how dangerous, how poisonous this thing is. Because if you go to a lot of sites, a lot of academic sites, they will tell you that those are people who did not grow up eating this. This was a common thing that we ate in my house. And if you look back through the literature and what people talk about, they talk about poverty, how people would eat this that didn't have a lot of money. If you're into permaculture, this would be something that that you would want to investigate thoroughly. Don't take my word for it. You never want to rely on somebody else's experience. Get with someone who really knows about plants like this and take it from there. But in the lore, this is something that in, I think it was Siloam Springs, Arkansas, up until the year 2000, they actually canned poke salad. Some people call it pokeweed. And it was shipped out to a lot of probably southern based grocery stores. And this was common fare. And now all you hear about is that it's poisonous. Now, it is definitely a very toxic plant if you're trying to eat the roots, or if you're eating it after it has turned purplish color. That's why I went ahead and harvested these. And you definitely, one of the telltale things again is if this it grows and turns purple, big cluster of grapes, you don't want to eat it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blanch these 3 times, and we would cook it in bacon grease, and so you would have like the bacon bits, eggs, and onions. I believe those were the 3 things that we would put in it, and it was very delicious. But again, do not eat this if you're not accustomed to it. If it's something that makes you uncomfortable, there's so many other things that are probably growing in your environment that you can, you know, incorporate into your permaculture food forest. And for me, this is something that volunteered itself and that I am definitely going to be including. Thanks, everyone. Hope you're having a great day.